$20 picnic time, and I got the side for $5.
Handle the main and drink.
Who's got the dessert?
This guy will.
Hey, oh, Man-Eater by Nelly Furtado.
No. Handle our dessert for our picnic.
Okay. What's the theme?
Barbecue.
Without a barbecue.
3 burgers from McDonald's for around $8. That doesn't leave much room for drinks though.
I'm thinking a side salad for $5. Potato.
Also do a poor man's trifle because, believe it or not, I am a poor man.
3 for $1.50. I think I'm gonna go with a corn salad. I'm at the Tim Hortons, I'm gonna try to get a sauce. Cilantro lime, please. Yo, Sam, how much is a red pepper where you're at?
Red pepper? We could do 99 cents for an orange pepper.
Oh!
Based off my subjective science, this one is heaviest. And leaking.
I think we should just stick with this. Hopefully no one has cooties.
Okay, this is not food. No.
What about IKEA? $1. How many should I get? 6? 1 veggie dog for Serena.
Should I walk in normally? $1. So I need less than 100 grams. Okay, that did nothing.
How much was it for a side of pico de gallo?
What's going on back there?
We're graham crackering.
Smells good, baby. Lunchtime.
I have a brisk to share. I got hot dogs and a special one for you. It's a veggie dog with extra mustard.
I love veggie dogs. I got us a corn salad, 3 little forks, and some hot sauces to make it spicier.
And I got us a dollar store trifle.
And that's our summer picnic for $17.66.
Why is there a carrot in the middle of this hot dog?
Let's have a picnic.
It's winter.
Indoors, $20 for the 3 of us.
Okay, but you're both shopping with me. So I'm taking care of the main with $10. If we split a 12-inch sub 3 ways, that's 4 inches each. $13.29, $14.29. Is there anything under $10?
I have $5 for dessert and it has to be easily shareable. 16-piece Cinnabites for $4.99. I want like variety. Independent bakery it is. So good. I think we're gonna do one of these walnut cakes and one of these cloudy cakes, like a squishy.
I gotta get drinks and a side for $5. I feel like that's winter picnic vibes. Ooh, a baguette? Why don't we make a bruschetta? Bruschetta or bruschetta? Tomato, basil? Oh Lord, that's the whole budget. I won't even have to buy extra ingredients.
Winter picnic, I think like warm, cozy soup, right? These are also only 69 cents each. Find a way to elevate it. Mushroom. I didn't even know that they sold rotisserie chicken like this. I thought they only sold it like on the bird. This is what I was looking for. What goes with ramen? Like a marinated egg.
Dessert's ready.
Let's see if they got some basil. Basil rubbed sweet. How about we do garlic salt?
2 packets of soy sauce. It's gonna make all the difference. Let's get our cooking mama on.
That's really a good seasoning.
We have ramen with chicken, mushroom, a little bit of soy sauce, and a marinated egg on top.
All right, so I made bruschetta. Oh, and I got apple juice.
So for dessert, we have a walnut cake and an angel food cake.
So altogether, we spent $19.39 on this picnic.
This is so fire. Hold on, I need one more bite.
$20 fall picnic challenge.
I'll do dessert.
And I got the main.
I'll do the appetizer.
Channel Gilmore Girls Fall though.
I've never seen that show.
Great show.
Okay.
I'm thinking flavors like apple, cinnamon, or pumpkin could work. The gala apples are on sale. Perfect.
All right, for the main, I'm thinking about something hard. Maybe we can do something like a risotto.
Gilmore Girls? How does that inspire an amuse-bouche? Carrots are orange, but not exactly cheap. But guys, is this a star? Is this Stars Hollow? I've never seen the show, but it's cheap, so I'm gonna get them.
I love fall. I love Gilmore Girls. $1.50 for a cinnamon bun? Okay. With icing. Who would get it without icing? Can I just get caramel dip on the side?
We got the base of our risotto. Now, the most important ingredient is rice. Rice and cheese. Look at that. That eliminates the cost of buying both individually. We have just a little bit under $3 in the budget. Oh, you know what? Let me call Sam and ask if he needs money.
Hello?
Sam, do you need extra money?
Thank you. Yeah, the orange cheddar, please. These babies will need some sauce. Can I take some plum sauce? Do you have hot sauce?
It's very sticky.
I feel like this faux soda is gonna be so good.
I could have bought more cheese.
How cute. It tastes like a candy apple.
Okay, my cousins, we have our fall-inspired picnic. We start with some cheese and crackers and some Michelin star sweet hot sauce.
And for our main, we have a yummy room temperature risotto.
For dessert, we have an apple cinnamon bun caramel cup.
There's caramel in there?
Yeah, look at it.
All this for $16.25, because I can't do math.
Wait, we could have gotten coffee.
Oh, that was hard.
I want a picnic.
$20, all 3 of us.
Fine, but you're coming with me.
What?
Let's go. All right, so I've got $10 to do the main component of this meal. That's gonna look like a cheese. I'm a little nervous. Porcelain on sale for $3.93. The price of the baguette has gone up since the last time we were here, but I've been waiting to buy this. 99 cents, yeah. Could do like just a regular cheddar for about $3.50.
But I think that Creole is getting a vegetable, so I almost feel like hummus is the better move.
Gotta get water. I've got to get some kind of vegetable side for $5, so that's too expensive. That's not gonna work. This is the best option. It might be.
I have $5 to buy dessert. Can I get 2 pies? $2? Oh, great. Okay, 1 pretzel each. Let's get gummy worms. Let's go to my house and get some stuff to make this picnic a good vibe.
I've got a full baguette, soft cheese, some boursin, and a full thing of hummus with an olive tapenade.
3 slices of watermelon and a liter of tangerine lime sparkling water.
Cute. I got 2 pies, 3 giant, slightly melted chocolate pretzels, some gummy worms.
Quick math, 18.20.
That's a picnic under $20.
$20 picnic challenge.
But it's winter.
We'll do it inside and make it cozy.
$5 for dessert, I'm in.
$10 for the main.
Where are you guys going?
I can't feel my face. Could I make a DIY shepherd's pie? Bag secured. Oh my, I'm not wearing blush. I'm just freezing. This is one of 3 things I need. I've personally never had instant mashed potatoes, but there's a first time for everything. Are you serious? Why is everything so high up in this store?
Sweet and spicy appy. Keep it simple with a packaged salad.
I'm thinking maybe not, because it's $6.99.
Dessert will be a piece of cake.
Figuratively.
Does an assortment of candy scream winter picnic? A lollipop belt?
Coleslaw, crunchy, there's color. I'm a woman in STEM, I have a plan.
You've been kind to me in the past. What can I melt and drizzle this chocolate on?
Perfect.
A Rice Krispie a day keeps the doctor really close.
Oh, don't smell it.
Why'd you say don't smell it and then put it in my face?
Sabotage?
You're wondering, Sam, what are you gonna do? Pour it on Hannah's head.
Oh my gosh, how's it not melting?
I'm not gonna put too much spicy because, you know, Sam might not be able to handle it. Gotta be careful.
There's a sexy salad.
Yo.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Look at what we did here.
No, like look at my wintry slaw, sweet and spicy.
And my DIY shepherd's pie, 1 for each of us.
How about this Rice Krispie cut into 3s with drizzled melted chocolate? Are you serious?
And that's an indoor winter picnic challenge for $17.75.
I would not want to be outdoors.
No way. Okay, let's dig into your shepherd's chili pie.
Zingy.
I actually really like this, Hannah. You cooked, literally.
Be honest, is there chocolate on my face?